Let me do that. Okay, hi guys. Hopefully you can hear me. I won't be able to hear you. Yeah, I won't be able to hear you. So let's start again. I know I always say I should like be prepared more for the streams, but I do this at the very last time every day. So let's see. I'm just setting up my setting up my Windows here. Windows in the sense, not Windows, but like Chrome windows to see chats and if my stream is working or not, those kind of things. So let's see. Okay, give me a second. I have done the setup. I'm just fixing few things now. Yeah, sorry about that. I'm back. So let's start with no, not we are not starting yet. Live now, join in to learn. No? Okay, I guess this is okay. This is awesome. I have started this. Okay. Okay. I guess I have opened the wrong stream. Yes. Okay. I'll start. Just give me a few seconds. Few minutes, not seconds. Okay. Okay, let's see. I'm just trying to figure this out. Not stream related. I'm just messaging on Discord to the team. Okay, I am confused. Okay, we can get back to our stream now that I have completed this one. Also, if you're watching, let me know what's up. Also, is okay. Okay, let me zoom in. Here also, let's zoom in. Now we go to Polymarket. We have done this test. What's next? Position ID. Okay, we get position ID. We pass these values. We do compute 0, 1, and then we say check. Okay, that's cool. Now we need to figure out our tests. Also, if you remember, we don't need this weird deep mutable thing if we just modify it. If you if we modify this with the entity, where are we? No, we are not using. Yeah, we are using entity here. Copy this. You just need to change the types. Change the types, and it should be, yeah. Okay, deep mutable. We don't need this. Let's remove it here. Okay, fpmm, let fpmm. Okay, what's the error? Okay, we should ignore this and do fpmm here and fpmm here. Yes. Now we go down, remove the deep mutable. No, not just that, the whole thing. We do fpmm. Okay. With this, we have fixed it. Instead of doing that deep mutable. Okay. Oh, my camera is not set correctly. Okay. Let's just push this commit. Fix. Remove deep mutable type. It was not needed. Okay, no, we can just remove that. And what's next? Git push. Okay, it is. We fixed this. Now, next part is our test, which is compute position id.test.ts. Okay, we keep this open as a reference. We don't need this. We don't need the whole thing. Let's start with this. Okay, and we copy these things because the okay, maybe we should copy this whole thing. Copy. We do it. Okay, we did this part. Now we need the compute position ID. Where is it? That's the main question. Compute position ID. Okay, do we yes, we do export it. Okay. Okay, this should be equals to no. Oh, sorry. This is the boolean, and this is just yeah. Um, it was not needed. expected position id will be big int. Okay, yeah, it's a big integer. Yes, so we do const computed position id 0 equal to compute position id. We pass this. Okay, can I just here say, here can I say the type is 0x string? Same here. Okay, then we pass condition, no, collateral first. In our case it's, I, I don't think we are trying to, okay, compute position id, collateral condition id. Okay, then why push this up? Okay, I don't remember. Okay, now we do collateral address condition id and then false. Okay, and this returns us begin. We do const position id 1, expect. Okay, this works too. And now we run pnpm test. Can we do only? I don't think we, yeah, we don't. Okay, that's luckily is the old API key, so it shouldn't work. But also you didn't see the whole thing. That's also a good thing. Okay, here it only, we go here, we open this, and we say dot only, and let's run it. Okay, what's up? Did we mess up something? Yeah, I know, that's why we are testing. We are testing this thing. But let's see. Okay, welcome to the stream. I don't know who you are, but I can I can see there is someone watching the stream. So thanks for joining, and let's figure out where I messed up. I'm pretty sure it's somewhere in the logic part. Compute position ID. Okay, this is a nice one because we have this, we have this, and when I was writing this, I told, like I said, we are going to mess up here, and that's why I don't like this. You see, doing the bit manipulation part, that's the more frustrating part, and I'm pretty sure we messed up somewhere here, and because this is pretty simple, there is no way we can mess this up, but this this one for sure we messed up. when I say we, I mean I. You guys are not actually following. You guys are not actually writing the thing. So yeah. Now we go to our trusty tool, which is ChatGPT, and ask it where we messed up. Okay, is this code do both functions do the same thing or no? We pass this the first function, which is this one we copied, and then we come here and we see what's happening. No, they do not. Okay, I what I can tell you, like, let's see if this opens, and once once this finishes the answer, I'll create a share link and add it here so we can go through it and figure out where I messed up while writing this function. Also, while I wait, don't forget to check out Envio at envio.dev. Go check out the Twitter for both Envio and me. My Twitter handle is this Nick Mintade, which is NIKBHINTAD, and Envio is Envio underscore indexer. You can already see the spelling. It is ENVIO underscore indexer, INDEXER. Okay, cool. I have the link. Let's open it and see what it says. Maybe later. Reject non-essential. Okay. Uh, Short answer, no. They do not do the same thing. They are intended to be equivalent, but second function has, which is my function, has multiple logic bugs that change the result. Okay, hash load construction mostly equivalent, but uh, both functions build 62-byte payload. Okay, and both set. Okay, breaks the JSTS assembly script includes byte reversal. Okay, this is correct one. So where is, okay, this part. Okay, I just shifted the byte in the wrong way. We do the left shift. Second function wrong. This evaluates 2 equals to 0. So entire block is this. Okay. I just did the shift in the wrong direction in both places. So okay. So this entire block becomes meaningless. That's awesome. Okay, no, I still something changes, but it still doesn't work. After fixing those two lines, function assume, okay, Yeah, we can't really mess up here, right? If that's the case, I should just give up on this. If that's the case, let's see. Okay, why it's not? Okay, I guess I'll also show it. Okay, are these functions similar? Question mark. Okay, let's copy the legend symbol also because it has a shift, byte shift, bit shift. Yeah, and as you know, I can't do that correctly. Let's see if this updates here. Okay, I think we should we should check if we are doing this correctly. Also, you can you guys see the next prompt on this? Okay, no, you can't. Are these functions same? Are these functions return the same value? Not are, it's do these functions. Do these functions return the same value? Short answer yes. Okay, assuming we are not messing up. Okay, now I'm just gonna copy the whole thing. For some reason, my get position ID, no, compute position ID function doesn't return the same value as first code snippet that I am going to provide. My code. Okay, so what it's trying to say, we messed up the compute position ID from collection ID part. Let's try compute position ID from collection. Okay, we are using, the name is wrong. Okay, now let's see if our tests work. No, they still don't work as expected. We are expecting this value, we are getting this one. No, that change doesn't work as expected. Okay, for some reason we don't know. We don't know what's happening. So let's see. Okay, here shorter array fixed length in JS we have. Okay, bytes x1. Okay, it's saying this part is the issue. Return collection ID. Let's do. Okay, at the top we change the return value to uint array, uinted array, and then we change it here. Compute position ID from collection ID. Compute position ID from collection ID. It takes uint, and what do we return? We return big int. Okay. Okay. Is value at least changing? No, it's not even changing. I do want to see where we are messing up. I think we should. For this part, For this part, we can use VM, but for this, we should use just like raw JavaScript or yeah, JavaScript and do these manipulations. Okay, we know we know we have an issue here, but we just don't know what. That's the only thing. Okay, cool. How much? Okay, we do have a lot of time. I don't want to be frustrated with this because I knew this was coming. So let's see. Okay, sorry. There is no issue with that. Like it's a public, what do you call, PR, so you guys can see this. I just need to approve it because it is. Give me a second. Okay, I guess I'm just gonna. Okay, for today, let's stop this, and tomorrow we'll try to figure this out again. Let me. I don't want to lose this progress, so I'm gonna add a note here. This is not a feature, this is notes. Okay, on tests. Currently, compute position ID tests are failing due to logic. Okay, no. I think what I'll do is yeah, let me do get stash get stash list. Okay, no, get stash just list, that works. We'll do get branch get checkout branch. Work in progress. git stash pop git add git commit dash m. uh, no, now we do the co on test. Currently compute position id. Tests are failing, so please check due to logic error. Okay, that should be good enough. Now we do git commit dash m git commit dash m of baked compute position id test git push. Okay, with this we do have everything. Anyway, thanks for joining the stream. If you are interested in using Envio or learning more about Envio, just go to envio.dev and check out the documentation, check out the hosted service, and you can just start running Envio indexer with a single command, which is pnpx envio init, and it should set you up with a test indexer. So try that. Last two things: go follow Envio on Twitter and go follow me on Twitter. If you want to use Envio and need it excellent like deal, let me know. I'm very happy to help you as much as I can, or I'll at least try my best to get you a deal. So let's see. Thanks for joining and have a nice day. Bye.